Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is a little different. This is lifestyle hack number 1. If you guys haven't already subscribed already, make sure you hit that button. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is how I get rid of that nasty, smelly odor in my armpit. Okay guys, so all you need to do this process 5 minutes before you take a shower every day, and trust me, you guys will thank me. This thing works like a charm. Yes, you've seen this on YouTube, so many different hacks that works for smelly odors, but I'm telling you, I can testify that this works. Okay, you make sure you save that paste and rub it in your armpit. You will thank me. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you try this. Bye.